Hi, and welcome to question 6, the 2017 paper, paper 1. So part A here is a 10C question, a low partial of 4, high partial of 6, and then full marks 10. So let's read the question. The salesman earns a basic salary of €150 per week. In addition, he gets commission of 20% on sales up to the value of 1,000, and 30% commission on any sales above this. So you're asked to find his total income for a week when his total sales amount to 3,000. Okay, so there's a lot of information going on here, and it's important to try to structure the question. And you're looking here at, this is the amount he gets every week, no matter what. Then he gets 20% of the first 1,000 of sales, and gets 30% of the rest. So he gets 20% of 1,000, and 30% of the 1,000 from the 3,000, so it's the 2,000. Okay, so look at the answer here. I've made a kind of a statement here of his full salary. So it's the 150 per week, and 20% of 1,000, and 30% of everything else. So the sales amount, he sells 3,000, so the 1,000 is there, and then the rest of that, all other sales, be 2,000. So I put the information that I've discovered from the question into my formula as such. I end up with this calculation here. Okay. So 20% of 1,000 is 200, 30% of 2,000 is 600. Add those three amounts to the 150, his base pay and his commission. You end up with €950 per week. And that's that. So part B here, okay, on a different week, his total income is 1,160. Find his total sales for this week. So in essence, his amount of 30% has changed, and he's sold more as such. So I can use again this, I suppose my formula as such, and I'm now seeing that the unknown I have is all other sales, and I'm given more information, and that's his salary. So I can fit it in. My unknown is going to be this piece here. I'm going to call it X, so I end up down here, the 1,160 is his salary, the 150 per week base pay, the 20% of 1,000, and then 30% of what we don't know. So you break it down. Okay, I'm going to bring, in this step, I'm bringing the 150 across the equal. So it was added on the right hand side, becomes subtracted on the left. Same thing with the 20% of 1,000, which is 200. Bring that across the equal, becomes subtracted. So I end up with these figures here. And that's equal to 30%, which is 30 over 100 times X. Now that's the equivalent of 0.3. Okay, and the 1,160, take away the 150, take away the 200, is where you get this 810 figure. Now, to get the X value, and just finish off the algebra, the 0.3 is multiplying times the X on the right. When it goes across to the left, it becomes the opposite, which is divided. So I end up with this sum here, and that's 810 divided by 0.3, and you end up with his amount of commission in total being 3,700. Now I got the values. In fact, I haven't actually finished this question off technically. It should read 2,700 plus the 1,000 sales to show me that figure of 1,000, and then as addition, show me that figure of 37, which would be my final answer. Make sure I have the euro symbol in just to make sure I've got the units covered. So that's that. Now that question there is a 15D scale. So low partial 5, mid partial 7, high partial 10, full marks 15. And that should be the end of question 6. Okay, thanks very much.